Students, now let us discuss about the different features of living things and non-living things. This is a book. Have you ever seen a book moving by itself?
No, a book never moves itself.
Students, a book is a non-living thing. Non-living things cannot move. So, you can never see a book moving.
Like book, non-living things like the pencil, the cup, the table, and the stone also do not move by themselves.
Students, this is a tiger. It is walking, isn't it? Similarly, this is a cow. It is also walking. A tiger and a cow can move from one place to another. Now look at this dog. It is running. A dog can move from one place to another. Students, this is a snake. A snake too can move. A snake crawls on the ground to move from one place to another.
Similarly, this is a fish. It is swimming.
A fish can move from one place to another. Students, you must have seen a sparrow flying in the sky.
Birds also can move from one place to another.
Students, living things like the tiger, the cow, the dog, the snake, the fish, and the bird can move from one place to another.
So, living things can move from one place to another, but non-living things cannot move.
Students, you all have seen vehicles like the bus, the car, and the motorbike moving on the road, haven't you? You also must have seen an aeroplane flying in the sky.
The bus and the car can move from one place to another on their wheels, and aeroplane can fly from one place to another.
If they can move from one place to another, then what are they? Are they living things?
No, they are not. They are not living things.
You are right. Vehicles are not living things. They are non-living things. Because vehicles like the bus, the car, the motorbike, and the aeroplanes cannot move from one place to another by themselves.
A driver has to make a bus or a car move. Similarly, an aeroplane cannot fly by itself. A pilot has to make it fly. So, the bus, the car, and the aeroplane are non-living things. Non-living things do not show movement by themselves.
Dear students, all living things can move from one place to another.
But all living things cannot walk like human beings to move from one place to another. They have their own kind of movements.
Students, let's have a look. The dog is running. The cat is walking. The boy is walking too.
The bird is flying.
Similarly, to move from one place to another, fish swims in the water. The snake creeps on the ground. The hen walks on the ground. The duck swims in the water. And the cow walks on the ground.
Frog jumps on the ground and swims in water to move.
You must have seen a sunflower turning its face towards the sun. The movement of the sunflower towards the sun is its movement.
But we cannot see the movement of all the plants.
Students, animals move from one place to another by walking, running, jumping, swimming, and flying.
Similarly, plants show movement by turning towards the sun.
Dear students, have you ever seen a book or a pen moving from one place to another by themselves? No, you haven't. Yes, we have to make them move from one place to another. They cannot move by themselves. Thus, non-living things do not show movement. Living things have their own type of movement, whereas non-living things do not show movement.